Racing just is started. We have Angel Eunice. Break quickly at the start. Sant'Antoni Prapobel is on the outside third, while Botbo is the early trailer by about 6 lengths. Up the leader, we have Angel Eunice by the length. Sant'Antoni is right behind in second. A length further back in third comes Prapobel, while Botbo is still racing in less and going along for the first turn. We have Angel Eunice by about half length. Sant'Antoni is down on the inside second. 2 lengths further back in third comes Prapobel, while Botbo is still racing in fourth by about 6 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Angel Eunice by out ahead. Running by the rail second is Sant'Antoni. Prapobel now trying to get closer in third. Botbo remains in fourth. Another far turn. We have Angel Eunice by out ahead. Sant'Antoni Prapobel, a long shot. Now moving up on the outside to take the lead. We have Prapobel. Sant'Antoni is down on the inside. Angel Eunice, Botbo now trying to get closer in for us. They swing for home. We have Prapobel, Sant'Antoni, Botbo is on the outside third. Last 100 meters. We have Prapobel followed by Botbo the outside. Prapobel, Botbo, Prapobel, Botbo, and finally it's a close finish. Prapobel, Botbo, Sant'Antoni. Then comes Angel Eunice.
Dikit.
Yes.